Quick overview and introduce highlight features of NanoPi R1S portable DIY router OpenWRT Allwinner H3. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. NanoPi RIS have 512 MB DDR3 RAM, 2 Gigabit Ethernet ports, an onboard 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi module and other. We ported an OpenWRT system for the NanoPi R1S and provides a build system for compilation and customization. By applying some simple configurations, it will work as a router. Users can easily put add-on features to it and use it in WAN-dailing applications, game acceleration, personal NAS applications, remote control, smart home gateways, DDR projects and etc. Besides FriendlyWRT the NanoPi RIS works with Ubuntu Core and Armbian as well.It USB can be extended to connect a 4G module or works with a USB camera, also boot from a TF card. If you're new here, don't forget press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.